Hi everyone, welcome to my new video, the Tesla Robotaxi 2025, in a stunning pure golden color. This futuristic vehicle isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of self-driving, electric transportation. In today's review, we'll dive deep into its design, performance, features, and what makes this robotic taxi unlike anything you've ever seen. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. Tesla has taken their signature sleek, minimalistic style and elevated it to a whole new level. The Robotaxi features a bold, grille-less front, smooth aerodynamics, and advanced LED lighting. The golden paint finish on this model not only looks incredible, but it also highlights the car's cutting-edge, futuristic appeal. From the streamlined side profile to the wide LED light strip at the rear, this car looks ready to conquer the roads of tomorrow. Now, let's step inside this technological marvel. The interior of the Tesla Robotaxi 2025 is an experience in itself. From the spacious, luxurious seating to the sleek, minimalist dashboard, every detail has been crafted for comfort and style. A massive curved touchscreen is at the center of the dashboard, controlling everything from navigation to in-car entertainment. As you approach, a large screen monitor faces you. The ambient lighting sets a soothing atmosphere, and with no traditional steering wheel, this car is fully ready for autonomous driving. Performance-wise, the Tesla Robotaxi 2025 is everything you'd expect from a Tesla. Equipped with cutting-edge electric powertrains, it promises impressive speed, efficiency, and range. But what really sets it apart is its self-driving technology. Tesla's advanced autopilot system takes this vehicle to the next level, allowing it to operate completely autonomously. Whether you're using it as a personal ride or as a robotaxi for a seamless ride-hailing experience, the future of transportation is here. So is the Tesla Robotaxi 2025, the future of self-driving cars. With its revolutionary design, cutting-edge technology, and sleek golden luxury finish, it's clear that Tesla is paving the way for the next generation of electric, autonomous vehicles. But we want to hear from you. What do you think about the Robotaxi? Could this be the future of taxis and ride-hailing? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.